Okay, so I am here to show you about ornament storage and what I like and why I like it. So the number one thing that I like the most about ornament storage is when they have trays that pull out, trays with all the sides. When you have just the hardware thing and it doesn't have sides to support it, you can't take it out effectively all at the same time. So then it becomes very frustrating and ornaments go everywhere, and if you have a lot of glass ornaments, it's just a mess. I also like these that where you can customize the middle. So you see I have longer ones right here, shorter ones, and so you can pull them out to customize based on what size ornaments you have. And this is just mine personally. I'll share some others at the end of this that I like and that other clients have. It's just those type of ones. I don't have the room to store it, but this is what I have room for. So I can take the whole tray out. It has another bottom tray. I label it with the papers about what it is, who it's from. A lot of times, this goes on our main tree and will get put up next week. We don't put decorations up until after Thanksgiving. Okay, so that's what I like. Second thing I like, this is a weather-tight bin. And weather-tight is great if you're storing in attics, basements, any of that kind of stuff. So with this one, they have trays as well that fit perfectly. And as you can see, here's an ornament tray, and you can take out pieces to customize sizing and whatnot, however you like it. And it fits perfectly in the 76 quart weather-tight bin. And then you can do longer decorations or ornaments or whatever you want in between there. And then this one has all empty. So there is that. And then it goes up to these. I have 2 layers, but you can put up to 3 layers in them. And then you just grab the lid and you close it and whatnot. And the cool thing about these red bags is that if you do have those, you can just plop these in there just as well, and that protects it. So if it's cloth, it won't get as moldy and whatnot. So there's that. Okay, how do I always store? Depends on how you store ornaments. It depends on how it's done. So some clients, what we do for them is, okay, we have a plastic bin or a weather-tight bin, and we have archival tissue paper or crinkle paper, and we layer it in the bottom for sure. Always layer it, whether it's with bubble or tissue or the crinkle paper. We use a lot archival stuff when working with cloth a lot of times, or really special things. And so we just layer it, put the ornaments in there, layer it, put the ornaments in there. Some clients, we wrap with archival tissue paper, or we wrap every individual, when they have super fragile, we wrap every individual ornament with some type of tissue paper, just to help protect it even more. And then we make sure we have some kind of padding, whether it's the crinkle, a lot of times it's the crinkle paper because it just packs well, and then you can do whatever with it. And so these are different kinds. Container Store has the long sheets, so if you're doing stockings or linens or something, then you can use the long sheets of tissue paper, which I really like to use. And then on Amazon, they also have some long sheets, but I think Container Store is 20 for $10 or something like that, current pricing. And then these are shorter sheets, so you can just decide what you want and how you want. But I think archival tissue paper is great for anything that's cloth that you're going to store in an attic or basement that may be humid and not climate controlled. And then you can use just regular tissue paper, or packing paper, bubble wrap to wrap things. We use bubble wrap a lot, so we have that on hand. And then I love the bubble wrap bags for certain things because that just makes it easy to put the item in there, wrap it, and then put it back out. So those are a couple of things that I like to use that are preferred for storing ornaments and decorations, and how to do it. Very simple, not overly complicated. Different clients have different things, so we customize to do those different things based on what they have. Sometimes we keep things in original boxes just because they're formed with the styrofoam and whatnot, and if they have the room to store it, then that's how we keep it. And but all these products that I showed you, actually I think every single product you can actually find at the Container Store. So one-stop shop, and they are doing like various deals and whatnot right now. So hope you can find what you need, and I hope it's helpful.